Hello students, welcome again. Let us continue with the chapter Safety and First Aid. In the previous tutorial, we learned the causes of fire, the prevention from fire, and how to fight against the fire. In this tutorial, we will learn about first aid. First of all, what is the meaning of first aid? Whenever an accident happens, the injured person he needs the immediate medical help before she is taken to the hospital, because sometimes if immediate help is not received by the patient, he or she may suffer from great losses. The injury of the person may worsen, even sometimes due to lack of proper first aid, the person may die. So, what is the meaning of first aid? It is the first immediate help that is given to the injured person before the doctor arrives, or you can say before the injured person is taken to the hospital. It is very essential because, as I told you, if first aid is provided in proper time, it prevents the injury from getting worse. In some cases, it can even save the life of an injured person. But we all should know what type of first aid should be given in which kind of accident. Sometimes wrong first aid is given, then it may cause serious problems. So every child, everyone should know how to give the first aid and what first aid is given. You all might be knowing about the first aid to be given for minor cuts. Like if you fell while playing, there is a small cut or wound, you clean it all first of all using antiseptic lotion, then use antiseptic cream and then bandage it. These are small things we all know and we are doing in our daily life. Even we have read about nose bleeding also. If there is a nose bleeding, then what to do? What first aid is to be given? Sometimes there are minor burns while working in the kitchen. We know about that also. What first aid is to be given. But today we will talk about the first aid tips to be given in case of fracture. What is the meaning of fracture? Fracture is a crack or break in a bone. Sometimes you fell. As a result, there is a break in the bone. It generally occurs in arm or in leg. So, fracture is caused due to break in the bone. What first aid is to be given if the person you see has fracture, has a breakage in bone? First of all, let us study about splint. What is splint? It is a piece of cardboard, wood or magazine that is tied around the fractured part to give support to the fractured part. It actually avoids the movement, right? This is known as splint. You can see the image also. It is a splint. What is a splint? It is a piece of cardboard, wood or magazine that is tied around the fractured part to give it a support to prevent the movement of the broken bone. Then, if the fracture is in the arm or if the bone of the hand or arm is broken, you have to make a sling using a cloth or a bandage. This sling gives support to the arm. After providing this first aid, you have to take the patient immediately to the hospital for further treatment. Then comes spraying. Sometimes when you are playing, your ankle or wrist gets twisted. What happens is the tissue around this joint, it gets torn due to sudden jerk. As a result, it causes swelling and sore pain at the joint. This is called a sprain. What are the first aid tips that are to be used during sprain? First of all, your first priority should be to reduce the swelling. For that, you have to use ice packs. Then, to get relief from pain, some pain relieving ointments can also be used. Then, to give support to the joint and prevent its movement, elastic bandage should be wrapped around the joint. It will help in giving support to the joint and prevent movement. That's all for today. In next tutorial, we will study about the first aid tips of burns in case of animal bites and in case of poisoning. Till then, stay home, stay safe.